This video I will explain how to create a monthly budget that actually works. Creating a monthly budget means planning how you will spend your money every month so you don't run out of money or waste the money. Monthly budget helps you to control your spending, save money, and achieve your financial goals. Step 1 is know how much money you have. First, write down your total monthly income. This includes your salary, any part time income, or any side income, any money you regularly receive, like rent from someone or allowances. This is your total income. Step 2 is track all your expenses. Next, you list all your monthly expenses. These are the things you spend money on. There are two types of expenses. First one is fixed expenses. These are same for every month, like rent, loan EMI, and school fees. Next one is variable expenses. These changes every month, like food, electricity, travel, and shopping. Write down how much you usually spend on each item and use your bank statements, bills, or even notebooks if needed. Step 3 is divide your expenses into categories. Here you can see three categories: needs, wants, and savings. Needs means must pay items like rent, groceries, and transport. Wants means fun spending items like eating out, movies, online shopping. Savings means money you put aside for the future or emergencies. The simple rule many people follow is 50-30-20 rule, which means in your total income, 50% of the money you can use for needs, 30% of your money you can use for wants, and 20% of your money you can use for savings. Step 4 is set limits for each category. Now that you know how much you spend in each category, you can set limit or target. Here you can see the example. For rent, you can set 10,000, groceries 5,000. Like that, you can set the budget limit. Make sure your total spending does not go above your income. Step 5 is track your spending every month. Check your spending regularly during the month. You can use a notebook, use mobile apps like Money Manager or Walnut, use Excel or Google Sheets. This helps you to see if you are sticking to your budget or overspending in any area. Step 6 is review and adjust every month. Look at how much you actually spent, compare it to your planned budget. If you overspend in one area, try to reduce it in next month. If you saved more than planned, then that is great. Budgeting is a skill. It gets better with practice. Now we will see why budget works. Budget gives you control over your money. You gain awareness of where your money goes. A clear path to saving for your goals, like vacation, a new phone, or an emergency fund. The final tip is don't make your budget too tight. Leave some space for fun, emergencies, or small surprises. The goal is not to be perfect, but to be consistent and honest with your spending. Here you can see the monthly budget template which you can use. You can download this template from description of this video. Here you have to enter your total income. For needs, 50% is allocated. For wants, 30% is allocated. For saving, 20% is allocated. And whatever amount you are spending for needs, enter here. And whatever amount you are spending for wants, enter here. And whatever amount you are saving, you can enter here. At the month end, you can see the total here. And here actual spend will be calculated automatically and it will be entered. Here you can see the difference. The difference is between actual amount planned minus actual amount spent.